In this tutorial, we will take a look at how to mirror a feature. As we can see here, I have drawn a basic part with a number of features. Let's take a run through these. So the first feature is the base plate itself. The second feature is this extrusion. The third is the fillet just down here. The fourth are the chamfers just in this hole. And the last feature is a 4mm diameter hole just here. So in this tutorial, we will mirror a number of these features to the other side. So to do this, let's go to 3D model. Let's go to the pattern section and select the mirror tool. We have our dialog box pop up. And first of all, we need to select the features. Now, there are two ways of doing this. Number one, we can manually click on each of the features in the graphics window, or number two, we can select the features from the design tree. For me, I prefer to select them in the graphics window. So let's select our extrusion. Let's also select our chamfers, this fillet here, and also our through hole just down here. And then we need to define the mirror plane. So for this, we need to use a plane. You can either input your own plane, or for this tutorial, I'm going to use an existing plane, which is the YZ plane. So I'm going to select that plane there. And we can see a preview of our mirror of the features just over here. So that's looking good. Let's select OK. And there we can see we have successfully mirrored the according features. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.